This is the Queda de Quatro tutorial, so we can use this as a escape. It's one of the forms of esquiva. There are many ways you can do this. I'm gonna show doing from the esquiva lateral. So if I'm going to my right, I'm gonna step my right leg to the side into the lateral position so I can get closer to the floor. Note I'm gonna fall back, so you're gonna drop the weight into your arm and your hand is flat, completely flat on the floor. And then when both hands on the floor and both feet on the floor, that's the Queda de Quatro position. To stand up, you're gonna continue rolling to the same side. So if I went to my left, I'm gonna go left, esquiva lateral, left hand down, bring the leg closer to you to adjust, depend on your flexibility, and then push back from that leg. Doing it slow is a little bit more challenging, but you can get used to it. The more you can get used to it, you can add the momentum. So if you look from the side, I'm gonna step the leg to the side so I can get my hand as close as I can. When it's really close to the floor, maybe like an inch away from the floor, that's when I fall back. So there is no much impact on my wrist. And then I'm gonna twist my hip to the side to push myself over and then come back. So we can do without the Ginga, we can just keep alternating from one side to the other. So now I'm gonna be going to my left, so I get close to the floor, put the hands down, so my hips are completely forward, and then I push. And then I can bring the opposite leg back. Now that we know how to do the Queda de Quatro, let's do this drill. We're not gonna do the Ginga in between, so we're gonna only do the Queda de Quatro. So my legs are in parallel, and then I'm gonna be leaning to the esquiva lateral until I get really close to the floor, and then I'm gonna pass the weight from one arm to the other, stand up, and then repeat the process. Remember to go as low as you can, so drop the hip back, but only when your arm is really close to the floor, and then you keep alternating. Keeping the arms up will help you to keep the balance and get used to do the esquivas as well. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one. On the other side.